Hello, assalamu alaikum. In this video we will just understand about the short review about the biological processes and how you feel that things. So I hope you are good. And next we will just understand about why you are too much ugly and what is the mistake of yourself or other person which that will make you ugly. So remember one thing, people will make you ugly while you are not ugly. So that is important thing, because the people will insult you, people don't care, and people will not say good comments. You are good or excellent, etc. So in this way you will feel you are ugly. Otherwise it is not any mistake which that is you are doing. So it is not your mistake, it is mistake of your family or mistake of your community, etc. So that is why people are saying. But in case of you, you are the perfect creation through nature, through Allah. So that is why you are perfect. Why the people will say to you, you are ugly, you are not good, you are not doing something good. So that is why people will give the comment, and you will feel, due to your higher brain cortex, will feel the good or negative or positive things. If the people will give the comment positively, so you should feel the positive yourself, and you will say you are good, I am good, and I am not any mistakes, I am not any problem. So otherwise it is impossible to recognize yourself, to judge yourself while the people will say to you. So that is the mistake of your community, your people, where you are living. So that is the problem for you. So how to fix that problem? That's problem fixing through yourself, not people, because people will say everything about their own joys and don't feel yourself, don't feel you about their comments, don't feel about their unlike, dislike or something. But if people will like you, so it's okay, it's good. But when people will not like you, so it's okay, not problem, because it is your own life. You should do with your own self, for your own self, for doing something with your own self, education or sport, or doing some hobby. So people should not comment to you for doing something. And don't depend to the people, depend your own self, and you choose your own choice, and choose your own fashion style, everything which that will be done, and you will be happy when it means it's okay. And don't get comment to people's, because people will every time say you are not good or something, this is your mistake. So the mistake is yours. But uh, why the controversial problem are occurring to another person? So that is just a devil game, or just used for the disturbing yourself, disturbing your life, disturbing your nature. And the nature is created through a God, and you will not change yourself. And don't be ashamed, and don't be hopelessness person, but hopefully make your own self good, and good, and do work for yourself. Don't work for another person, because when you will do for another, so people will say you are not good. So you will feel I'm not good, I'm bad person, and you will feel automatically the ugliness yourself, and you will not like yourself only as much as possible. But you will get the comment, another comment, and another comment will be a negative. So you will feel more depression, and that is the type of depression due to the ugliness. And you are ugly due to the other persons, not yourself. you are not register yourself for ugliness, but people will say, it means the people will say, and uh, people will remain saying throughout the life, but you should do yourself for betterness for your own life. So that is the normal thing you should adopt, and adopt yourself and be happy and feel your happiness through your own self, not show to the happy to other person, because everyone is not uh, everyone is not with you, and you are only the team, you are only the worker, you are only for yourself. That is the important things you should follow your own perspective, follow your own hobby, follow your own choice, and don't judge your own self through the other person comments. Other person, for example, your friends, your family member will say do these things and you are doing another things. So that is totally opposite to yourself, so that you will feel I am doing nothing, I am doing just wasting of time. But enjoy yourself, working for yourself, that is the important things I am addressing to you for getting a good life and good happiness life. And feel the difficult time, but work hard in the difficult time for getting the easiest time, getting the hopeful time which that you need. You need yourself, and don't disturb yourself, because don't follow to another person, follow your own path, follow your own things, and you will get everything. If you don't follow your own trends, you don't follow your own choice, don't follow your own happiness, so you will totally destruct due to the sympathetic nervous system activation, and you will not relax. So that is the major topic about. And in the past time, throughout the life, the animal are living good. Why animal not feeling stress too much? Because the another animal will not come into the in the group to come into each other for disturbing or giving the stress, but the people are thinking differently, and due to the evolutionary adopt, and every person want to happiness itself, but don't give the happiness to another. So that is the mistake of the homo sapiens. So that is the going the trend more complex for snatching the happiness to another person. So that is okay, you should do yourself for happiness. Don't share the happiness, because the happiness can't share, happiness can't tell, because your own heart, your own mind, your own everything, which that you should realize yourself itself, for yourself for the better life. So that is important things I am addressing to you, which that is I am also facing, but I don't care, because people are not giving anything which that is helpful for you. So that is why the people will not help you, people will not do something, but you should be happy and shake hand and good relation. You should define and admire to another person for your happiness, because when you will admire to another person, you will be happy also. So that is why the another person will giving you the negative comment, he is already disturbed. So that is why he is disturbing to you. So that is the important thing, he is disturbed, and don't feel sad, because he is already disturbed and disturbing to you for their own happiness, but your happiness when your happiness will go away, so he will definitely happy due to the, because their target to do the target to do the sadness of your own face. So that is important things uh, about this happiness and why you ugly. That is not your own mistake, but the mistake of the another person, which that is saying to you, which that is saying to your face, which that is saying to your work, and which that is saying to your happiness. So don't share your happiness, but share the good things to another. That is the everything. And when you will share the happiness to another person, but happy to another person, please trigger the happiness to another person. That is the good things, and that is why you will become a good person. Otherwise it is never possible to become a good person. Why? Because if you are snatching the happiness of another person, so how you will be happy? Because you are already sad. When you will not sad, you will not share the bad comments to another person for their own private life. So that is important things. Don't target to another person for creating the sadness, creating the anxiety, depression. So that is why don't feel yourself as an ugly person, don't feel yourself as a stressed person. Be free and feel free and be happiness, and hopefully you will be success when during the difficult time. So that is important things. So I am completing this video in this time. So thanks for watching. This was the topic about the ugliness and the social communication, how to communicate through socially another person. So that is important. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and like my video, and another share to another person. And this is a biological channel. I am making the biological video for understanding the medical education as well as biological education. Please share this channel and watch the another videos if you are biological students. So it's okay. Otherwise you can share this knowledge to another person, as well as you can subscribe this channel even, because I will make another video about the anxiety and stress, because I am getting the knowledge through sociology. So the this topic about the sociology and the social behavior, how to live, that is the anthropological education. So thanks for watching. Bye.